Welcome to my in-depth review of PDF2JPG, a free and straightforward tool that allows you to convert PDF files to JPG images quickly and easily. Right from the homepage, you can see the minimalistic and user-friendly design that makes the conversion process feel intuitive. You simply upload your PDF file, select your preferred image quality, and hit the Convert button. Within seconds, the site processes your file and provides a downloadable zip file containing all the extracted JPG images. The speed of the conversion is impressive, even with larger files. However, the downside is the limited customization options. If you are looking for advanced features such as batch processing, cropping, or editing, PDF2JPG might not be the best choice. This tool focuses purely on converting documents to images, which it does effectively, but lacks extra functionalities. The quality of the converted images is quite good, retaining much of the original detail. But sometimes, high-resolution files can be slightly compressed, which might be an issue if you're looking for pixel-perfect results. Also, it's worth noting that the site doesn't provide much guidance or tutorials, which can be frustrating for new users. Ever got a file you just can't edit? Frustrating, right? Not anymore. Clipper makes editing, converting, and signing effortless in seconds. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. One of the best things about PDF2JPG is that it doesn't require you to create an account or provide personal information. The conversion process is completely free, and there are no annoying watermarks on the output files. However, the tool is supported by ads, which can be slightly intrusive if you're trying to convert multiple files in one session. In conclusion, PDF2JPG is a solid choice for anyone looking for a quick and simple way to convert PDFs to JPGs without spending a penny. It does what it promises effectively, but it's definitely a one-trick pony with limited functionality. If you need a basic PDF to JPG converter that's easy to use and free of charge, this tool is worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more honest reviews like this one.